This moment is all that I've been dreaming of.
Well, focus.
Somewhere I feel it in my soul. One chance is everything we've waited for. It's our time, so let we take it home and knock it out of this world. Out of this world where we going, yeah. Out of this world, yeah. Out of this world where we going.
Yo.
So come on,
So
let me
we've been
take
waiting and anticipating just to get a chance so we can be great kings. That time now wasting, no more debating. Today, our future creating. Here when me stating, we want the rating. Open a prayer, enough deliberating. No plating, it been frustrating. So we see the better in our life we making. Because life is giving and taking. Unity and enough collaborating. You see the boundaries that we breaking when we should have been celebrating.
this moment is all that I've been dreaming of.
Out of this world,
Somewhere I feel it in my soul.
champion thing.
One chance is everything we've waited for.
Right now,
It's our time, so let we take it home and knock it out of this world. Out of this world where we going, yeah. Out of this world, yeah. Out of this world where we going. So come on,
so
let
we
me
say we
take
go
it
and win, cause there's no way we giving in. No giving up, so we say we go and bring all of the fight where we are from within. No stalling, so we do it brawling. I can hear the greatness calling. So we're balling is a inbound thing. Champion vibes and we ain't falling.
our time, so let we take it home and knock it out of this world.